So today I'm going to show you how to use templates on Google Docs. It's very simple. It's nothing complex at all. Very easy to do. So whenever you open your Google Docs on your system, on your Chrome browser, whatever browser you're using, you can see here templates gallery. So you just have to click on it because most times you just see these few templates. But Google Docs has a lot of templates you can use. You can just use for your. So you click on templates gallery, then you can see these are the ones for resumes, for letters. You can see personal one, different for work. Take for example, you have to write a project proposal and you don't know how to start. You just have the idea, but you don't have like a template you can use to work on. So you can see different templates from here. Different templates you can see. When you go down, see job offer letters, job promotion letters. So let's take this job promotion letters template. So whatever template you want to use, you just click on it, then it opens for you. So you can see most times their instruction, delete this first page of instruction before using your template, fill in brackets, placeholders for information and stuff like that. So you just have to just go down. So take for example this is the template. So take for example your company's logo, current date and stuff like congratulations. You have been promoted to let me say general general manager, effective, let me say July 1, 2026. Your new compensation and stuff like that, and so just have to go through it and just tweak it. So you can use any template on Google Docs. Very easy, very simple to do, nothing too so complex. Thank you very much.